Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you are Temu Free Gifts real? Ever wondered if Temu's free gifts are actually real? Well, here's the truth. Temu's free gift promotions can be legitimate, but they often come with very specific conditions. Usually, you need to refer friends to the app, and once your referrals sign up and make a purchase, only then you can qualify for a free gift. However, the quality of these gifts can vary, and they often serve as a marketing strategy to bring in more users and spending. While some people do receive real items, it's important to note that Temu has faced multiple suspensions and complaints due to misleading promotions. So, yes, Temu's free gifts can be real, but they're not entirely free. There's always a catch. Always make sure to join only through official channels and be cautious to avoid scams disguised as tempting offers. And if you ever decide to try it out, read the fine print carefully, track your referrals, and confirm the source before sharing any personal information. Because when it comes to free deals online, it always pays to be smart. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.